Do you know how to find medical coding job in US? Are you currently staying in US and looking for medical coding job? Are you planning to go US? So if the answer is yes for all these questions, this video is going to help you very much. In this video, I am going to show you nearly 100 job searching tips which you can use to find medical coding job in United States of America. Mostly this video is suitable for only US residents, but if you are in India or if you are in UAE or any other country, and if you are planning to go US and to search for medical coding job, this video is very helpful. If you are in other than US, don't apply for these jobs. If you are in US only, you can apply for these jobs. My name is Harish Gupta, medical coder, process trainer, content creator for PassCoder21 free medical coding YouTube channel. In my channel, I will upload latest videos related to ICT-NCM, CPT, ECPICS, as well as I will upload videos related to free AAPC webinars as well as job postings in India, UAE and US. If you are looking for job changes in India, UAE and US, please join in our WhatsApp groups and apply for your suitable job. As I told you previously, here we are going to see nearly 100 job search tips. So first one is hospital by state. So if you click on this one, so you are going to know all the hospitals based on the states where you are living or staying. So next one is Knowledge Connects. So here this is a job search site. If you are staying in USA, you can use this Knowledge Connects for job searching. Next one is Ahima's Career Assist. Next one is Administrative Consultant Services. Next you can search for Advanced Med website also, and also you can search for Advanced Health. So whenever you go to all these websites, you need to check for career section of each and every website and you need to apply for suitable job. And also you can check for AMN Healthcare, Applied Medical System, Equity, Scienza, Astar Carta, Atrium Health, Banner Health. So Atrium Health is the very big healthcare organization in US, and along with Banner Health. And also we are having Beth Israel Lehi Health, BJC Careers, Cameron Memorial Community Hospital, Cedar Sinai Hospital System. So we are going to see Cedar Sinai Hospital System here, for example. So this is the Cedar Sinai Hospital System website. So here in search jobs you need to enter coding. So I have entered the coding here. So if we see here, we have nearly 78 results found. So among all those, we are having coding also. If you see here, so they are looking for coder specialist inpatient. So this is a remote job. Next they are looking for physician billing coordinator, and they are looking for E&M multi-specialty coder. So these are the jobs which you can apply. So basically when you search coding here, it will show all the jobs here, but you don't need to worry. Just you need to concentrate on only medical coding jobs. Like here, if you see here, you can apply for coder specialist inpatient, you can apply for physician billing coordinator, and you can apply for E&M multi-specialty coder. So now we have seen the Cedar Sinai Hospital System. Next one is Change Healthcare. So recently Change Healthcare is suffered by ransom attack. So now they are cooperating. So next is Children's Wisconsin. Next CHOC. So just you need to go to CHOC website and you need to click on careers. And also like that we are having Christus Health, Seox. So Seox is the auditing company. So they will hire medical coders for their auditing purpose. So next one is Clinkone. In India also we are having few jobs in Clinkone company. So just you need to go to Clinkone website and you need to search for jobs. Next we are having Coding and Charge Master Specialist. Next Coding Concepts, Coding Services Group, Cognizant. As all of us know, Cognizant is having medical coding also. Even India also they are having medical coding jobs. If you want, you can apply in Cognizant also. Next is Conifer Health. Next is Caro Health, Cooper Thomas and Cotiviti. So as all of us know, CodePT also one is the major coding company in India as well as in US. In US also we are having CodePT. There also you can search for job. In India also we are having the CodePT. You can search for CodePT website. So next one is computer programs and systems. Next one is CSA recruiters from Optum, high terms of CPCA. So most of the time CSA, so they will hire for Optum. So most of the time CSA will take people with or coders with CPCA. So most of the time CSA is hires like people for SCC coding. Next we are having Duke Hospital System. There also just you need to click on their website and you need to check in the career section. Next Emerge Ortho, Enjoin CDA. So and next we are having Ensemble HC, HP, ExamWorks, FineThrow, Franciation Health, Freeman Health System, Gibbs Healthcare. So as all of us know, Gibbs Healthcare is in India also. So just wherever you are, just go to Gibbs Healthcare Solution website and you need to click on career section. Like that we are having Gentiva Guidehouse. So we are having Guidehouse in India also. You can apply for medical coding jobs using Guidehouse website. Next we are having SCA Healthcare. So this SCA is also very big company in US, and HCCS, this is also very big company. Next we are having HIA. Next we are having HIA code, Henry Ford Health System, Amedex, Innovation, Insight Global, John Hopkins. As all of us know, John Hopkins is the very big organization in US. So worldwide is also John Hopkins is having huge name. So you can apply using the John Hopkins website. So like this you need to apply all these medical coding jobs. So we are having Kaiser Permanente, Kivitech, Lancaster Behavioral Health Hospital, LHH, LifePoint Health, Mayo Clinic. So Medical Record Associate, MRA, Medical University of SC, Medical University of South Carolina. Basically SC means South Carolina. So Medex Staffing, so Medovent, Medstar, MedUSA Healthcare Services, Northwestern Medicine, Norwood Staffing. So basically among all these, so you are having few consultancies also, and we are having company like hospitals directly. So you can use all these consultancies and hospitals one by one. So if you are having the opportunity to join using the consultancy also, you can join as a medical coder. See, for example, you see here Weller HIT recruiting company. HIT means Health Information Technology recruiting company. So this is the staffing company. So this is basically like consultancy. They will recruit the people for or behalf of another medical coding company. So if you see here, we are having University of Colorado Medicine. So if you want to apply for medical coding job in University of Colorado, just you need to go to the University of Colorado website and you need to apply for these jobs. And also along with that, we are having University of Michigan. So there also you need to go to University of Michigan website and you need to check for career section of University of Michigan website. So one more common example is Savista. So Savista is in India also. So if you go to Savista website, so you can apply for India jobs as well as the US jobs. I hope this session is very useful for you. So once again, thanks for visiting FastCoder 21. So if you would like to have more videos like this, please like, comment, share and subscribe to FastCoder 21. So if you are looking for same day surgery, CPC certification training or CPMA certification training, please contact us at vincentmedicalcoder@gmail.com.